Today, class 9 WB Board Geography, chapter number 5, the topic is physical weathering. Physical weathering means yesterday I have discussed about the weathering. What is weathering? Weathering is a exogenetic process. So under this process, it can be divided into two parts. One is physical weathering, another one is chemical weathering. Here today we will discuss about the physical weathering. Physical weathering or mechanical weathering are the same kind of weathering. In physical weathering, we can say that the physical factors like air, temperature, all the frost, all those things are involved. That's why it is called the physical weathering. So, physical weathering are subdivided into four parts. First one is the block disintegration. What is happening in this process? In this process, first one is the diagram of block disintegration. In this process, at daytime, the blocks or the rocks portions are enhanced their size, and at the night time sometimes they are decreased or reduced their size, or on the other hand it is happening sometimes the rain falls or due to the effect of frost action the rock stratas or the cracks of the rocks are enhanced, and due to that effects sometimes what is happening, the blocks are separated from main rock strata. That is called the block disintegration. Number 2 is exfoliation. This process we can see in the desert region. At daytime the temperature of the desert we know very well, it's very high, but rock is not transparent for the heat. So what is happening, the outer layer of the rock strata, in this second diagram you can see the outer layer of the rock stratas are enhanced due to the effect of the sun, and those rock stratas are cracked. And what is happening, those outer layers of the rock stratas are separated from the inside portion of the rocks, just like the onion peel. When the onions are peeling off, what is happening, the inner portion of the onion we can see. This process is called the exfoliation, the second process. Now move to the third one, which is called the granular disintegration. This process we can also see in desert region. What is happening, the rock stratas are made with different kinds of minerals. So at daytime different minerals had its own enhancement capacity according to the temperature. So due to that effect different minerals are enhanced in different way, and the rocks are completely cracked and turned into the disintegrated granules. So that is called the granular disintegration. And the last one is the frost action. At daytime when the water has entered into a rock crack, what is happening at the night time, especially in the polar region, the portion of the water has turned into ice, and the ice size is bigger than the water amount, so it is actually trying to destroy the rock strata. In this way this action is called the frost action, which is the last one of the physical weathering. Thank you so much.